what is test plan in software testing? Very important. Okay, now test cases we have understood. Now test plan comes from planning, right? So test planning for any project or any personal work, if you want to achieve it in a structured way and do not want to get deviated, you need to create some sort of a very basic plan, right? So test plan is nothing but a planning or is a record of test planning process that will help the team to achieve testing for a particular release or the piece of work that needs to be done, right? Now the test plan is basically a document. Okay, it could be Word document or it could be a Confluence page. Nowadays people prepare test plan in the Confluence page. They have the templates, they use that. And test plan has some basic attributes and basic fields. Basically what you need to define there, what is the actual scope and approach. Okay, so scope is important, right? So if you have a 3 months release, you need to specify what you are going to test in that particular 3 months. What is in scope? You can't test anything and everything, right? So you need to see what requirements are there, and based on those requirements, this is what is in scope. This is what we are going to test. And then what will be our approach to test those? Okay, then who will be the people who will be testing his resources and schedule of the intended test activities. Basically when I'm going to start testing, when I'm going to go into the next phase, when I'm going to basically end the testing. Then you have this features in scope and out of scope. So out of that whole scope, the other subset is what features are in scope and out of scope as well. Then what will be the testing tasks and who in the team will be performing those tasks, who will be doing security testing, who will be doing performance testing, who will be doing functional testing, who will be doing any other testing which is required for that particular application. So all of that goes through into that. What will be the test environment, right? So as we just learned about the test environment, where the testers or which particular server or which test environment the testers are going to launch the application from and test it, right? Then what will be some of the test design technique, what will be entry and exit criteria, what are some of the risks and assumptions. So these are some of the key areas that need to go into the test plan. Now this is mostly done by the senior member of the team, by the test leads and the test managers who know a broader concept and broader detail about the project and the landscape and ecosystem of what you are going to test. Eventually after some time, each one of you who is joining as a fresher or a person who is starting the career will be able to grasp all of it, and you will be able to create test plan as well. Okay, so this is what test plan is in software testing.